Hi everyone, welcome to the podcast FAQ Tax, where I talk about some of the frequently asked questions from clients, from people that know me, from friends and family. So what are people asking me once they find out I do taxes? The name of my company is Jupiter Tax LLC. The main website is jupitertaxprep.com. My name is Kyle Dugan, and I'm an enrolled agent and a certifying acceptance agent, and I am also working on my Certified Financial Planner Certificate, CFP. So regarding the Economic Impact Payment, or EIP, because the IRS loves acronyms, what government doesn't? So people have asked, if they haven't received their stimulus payment, will there be a way to claim it on the 2020 tax filing? You may or may not know, but usually the tax filings, the paperwork for it isn't actually official or ready. There are no forms exist yet for the 2020 tax filing. It all depends on the tax law, depends on what they do at the last minute. I think 1 year it wasn't even ready till after February of the following year. So obviously the 2020 forms aren't ready at all, and that's nothing unusual, so there's no way to tell if there's a mechanism in place to do that. Logically and most likely that will happen. There'll be some sort of mechanism to sort of reconcile. There'll probably be a line item on there where you're not reporting that you received it. You're just reconciling it with your 2020 income. They've said many times that it's not going to be counted as part of your taxable income, but it'll probably show up on the return because they want to confirm who received it and who didn't receive it. Also, they send out the economic impact payments sometimes based on 2018 data if you hadn't yet filed your 2019 taxes, because of course the deadline was extended. So some people, if they made way more money in 2019, they actually technically didn't qualify. So some people may be in a position where they're paying back some of that, but these are people that are making, maybe if you're making $300,000 or so. So there will most likely be some sort of mechanism to reconcile what you received based on actual 2019, 2020 data. So an answer to the question is we don't know yet, but most likely yes, there'll be some way that you can file and claim your economic impact payment. What was some of the other questions we received? Oh, the PPP loans, the small business loans. A lot of those applications have closed, so now the money's all been hopefully sent out. Hopefully you got your loan and got some money and got some funding, and you're able to keep your business afloat for the time being. And now you want to be aware, very aware, and document where you're applying the money, because obviously that $10,000 loan converting to a grant is really important, and you want to make sure that you follow the rules. Write into us if you need specifics on the rules. It's also on the SBA website. I know that we've written a bunch of articles about it. It's only for the PPP loan, the Payroll Protection Plan, not for the EIDL loan, which is the Economic Impact Disaster Loan. So those are some of the frequently asked questions today, and we'll try to post these FAQ taxes on a more regular basis than the main podcast, which I'm trying to get that out weekly. So everybody have a great, what is today? Today's Tuesday, September 1st, so have a great Tuesday night and a great rest of your week.